Alright, so here's a convoy of trucks going up Lee Highway. And as you can see, there's no one on the roads tonight. And they are attempting to clear up the roads. But look at the reverse side of Lee Highway. It is just all snow, and it is coming down right now. And then you got this dude. Alright, look at this idiot. It is 11:40 at night on Friday, and he's walking up Lee Highway with an umbrella. What an asshole. And he was just trying to get rides from two people driving by. And it could very well be our friend Steve Williams, but that is yet to be determined. Alright, this is proof that DC cannot handle snow. Alright, get a good look here. I don't know if you can see it, but right there in the distance, there are these two guys just standing. Who fucking knows what they're doing? It's about 12:30 on Friday, and the snow and rain is coming down like a beast. And apparently these guys just want to enjoy the storm. So we'll let them. Alright, this is proof that DC cannot handle snow, because the snowplow that is attempting to clean out our parking lot in our condo building is stuck. If that's not proof right there, I don't know what is. Yeah, this is right outside our condo building. It's like the sweet spot for sledding, apparently. So maybe we'll see some wipeouts. Here we go. Yeah, and she just totally ate it.